Department of Skill Development has the 3 projects under the Skill Development Cooperation among GMS and ASEAN countries that relate to capacity building of GMS and ASEAN workforce for enhancing the region's competitiveness, which are: first, cooperation on human resource development in GMS region by Shenzhen International Institution for Skill Development. Second, the project of capacity building and skills development for labor of Cambodia, Laos, and Myanmar. And the third one, instructor and skill assessor training program, cooperation on human resource development in GMS region by Shenzhen International Institution for Skill Development. Shenzhen International Institute for Skill Development was established in 2003 under the Department of Skill Development. It is located in the area of 28 hectares with 9 operation buildings in Chiang Rai Province. Its responsibility is to develop workforce capacity in Greater Mekong Sub-region with focusing on personnel of public and private sectors covering administrators and instructors. Its activities are to develop training curriculum and conduct the trainings in the areas which strengthen competitiveness in the GMS countries, to promote and coordinate for international cooperation on human resource development for skill development, to coordinate national and international agencies for establishing skill development system to be according to international standards, by means of sharing knowledge, skills, technologies, innovations, language, and cultures among country members through the vision of Be the Center for Workforce and Skill Development in the Greater Mekong Sub-region. The result of Shenzhen Institute's overall operation in 2015 was providing trainings for 550 personnel of public and private sectors, entrepreneur development, and training instructors in GMS countries. Some training programs which were completed in 2016 are Automotive Production Technology and CAD, CAM, and CAE for government officials of Ministry of Industry, Union of Myanmar. Skill Standard Assessor for AAC for government official of Ministry of Labor and Vocational Training Kingdom of Cambodia. Presentation and meeting skill for personnel of public and private sectors of Laos, Myanmar, and Cambodia. Food and beverage service for Myanmar personnel of public and private sectors. Kitchen management for hotel and restaurant entrepreneurs of GMS countries. Fashion design and air conditioning repairing for government officials of Ministry of Labor and Education from Laos, PDR. For each training program implementation, Department of Skill Development, Ministry of Labor will contact directly to departments concerned. The project of capacity building and skills development. In 2014, the project of capacity building and skills development was introduced with an aim to provide training for the labor of Cambodia, Laos, and Myanmar to promote employability and livelihood, as well as to provide training resource personnel to be better equipped in cascading skill training activities. The project is a joint collaboration between Department of Skill Development, Ministry of Labor, and Thailand International Cooperation Agency or TICA, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and Department of Skill Development has been playing a key role in providing training for the workforce and instructors by using the budget that is allocated by TICA. In 2014, the Department of Skill Development provided training for 2,423 workers altogether. 790 workers were from Laos, 458 workers were from Cambodia, and 1,175 workers were from Myanmar. In 2015, 1,561 workers were trained, 746 workers were from Laos, 364 workers were from Cambodia, and 451 workers were from Myanmar. As for 2016, the Department of Skill Development has scheduled to provide training for workers from Laos, Cambodia, and Myanmar in a total of 1,002 people, 392 of whom are from Laos, 195 people are from Cambodia, and 410 people are from Myanmar. The training for Laos workers will be arranged by 5 provincial centers for skill development, which are Nung Khai, Nakhon Phanom, Mukdahan, Nan, and Chiang Rai. The courses of training include motorcycle mechanic, industrial sewing machine operation, building electrical wiring, effective cooperation skills, electric, and welding. The training for Cambodia workers will be arranged by Trat and Sakeo Provincial Center for Skill Development. The courses of training include building electrical wiring, housing electrical wiring, welding, small fishing engine maintenance, small agricultural engine maintenance, and many more. The training for Myanmar workers will be arranged by Kanchanaburi, TAC, and Chiang Rai Provincial Center for Skill Development. The courses of training include industrial electrical, microcomputer mechanic, tile, flooring, small air conditioning system maintenance, welding, and many more. For this project, Thailand Ministry of Labor will contact directly to the local authorities concerned. Training of trainers and assessors for Cambodia Skills Standard. The project is a joint collaboration between the Department of Skill Development, Ministry of Labor, Thailand International Cooperation Agency or TICA, Ministry of Foreign Affairs, and International Labor Organization or ILO. The project aims to provide training for trainers and skills standard assessors for Cambodia from both private and public sectors in 2 areas, bricklaying and plastering. The training duration is 11 days with the target group of 25 people. The training will schedule to take place in August 2016 at Shenzhen International Institute for Skill Development. For Laos, PDR, Myanmar, and Vietnam, Thailand will discuss with the representatives from the Ministry of Labor at the Regional Skills Technical Working Group meeting arranged by ILO on the 3rd and 4th of May 2016 in Bangkok.